Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Elemental/Bitmovin for streaming ready renders, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Elemental/Bitmovin for streaming ready renders, follow these steps. Begin by visiting the Elemental or Bitmovin website to create an account if you do not have one. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the API section within the dashboard. Generate an API key if one is not already available. Copy the API key and keep it secure. Next, open your preferred development environment to start the integration process. Install the necessary SDK or library provided by Elemental or Bitmovin. Refer to the documentation for specific installation commands. After installation, import the required libraries into your project. Initialize the API client using your API key. Make sure to handle any authentication exceptions that may arise during initialization. To ensure the authentication is successful, make a test API call to the Elemental or Bitmovin service. Check the response code to confirm successful authentication. Once authenticated, you can begin setting up your streaming configurations. Configure the settings for your render parameters, such as resolution, bitrate, and codecs. Ensure all configurations align with your streaming goals and target platforms. After setting the parameters, initiate the render process using the API call. Monitor the status of your render with subsequent API calls. If needed, implement error handling for any issues that may occur during the render process. Once the rendering is complete, retrieve the streaming URLs generated by the API. Test the streaming links to ensure they function correctly across your intended devices. Finally, integrate the streaming URLs into your application or website for user access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.